Can you believe it? It's already the holidays in 2025. Stick around, we got a great show for you. Hello, everybody, and happy holidays from the Airing of Grievances. I'm Eric Raymer, that's Robert Grieve, and of course, we are always very thankful for you tuning in. Today's going to be a little different show, Rob. We're going to kind of cover some of the things for which we are grateful. We have a long list, and it's one of those things. I made a long list. We don't have to read every single line, but the fact of the matter is,
there's lots to be thankful for.
So much, right?
Yeah.
And we live in an environment in a time period here in the U.S. as well as in just the daily grind in this industry, when it is easy to forget what we're thankful for.
Amen.
So
happy Saturday to you.
Happy Saturday to you.
My dear friends, happy Saturday to you, and I am incredibly grateful for you tuning in and being on the chat with us live, and it's been a grateful time.
Yeah, absolutely. As Thanksgiving just was last Thursday, it's got us all in the mindset of what we're thankful for. And I think the first thing that we should say that we're thankful for here at this shop is our guests.
No doubt.
They are our why. Yeah? I mean, I remember when, Rob, we started working together a long time ago, and you told me that everything goes through the guest's perception, the guest's perspective, and the guest's experience.
Everything that we do.
Yeah.
Everything that we buy, every procedure we make is guest-centric.
Yes.
And has, a big weight in how we decide to move a needle one way or another.
You bet.
Yeah.
We're thankful for the opportunity to communicate through this medium here, YouTube. And
for sure. It's been wonderful 5 years.
Oh my gosh. And the community that we have grown. I mean, we've added more than 1,000 people to our ranks over the last 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
And in addition to that, every single Saturday morning we have a live chat opportunity with many of our viewers. Many of them are involved in the industry, but some of them just pop in because they've seen us and just want to say hello.
Yeah.
So
it's very, very cool.
I
have to tell you, I am beyond grateful for the talented people that we have in the shop.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
I'm just a teammate of theirs, and they really make things happen for the consumer.
Yeah.
They work so hard and put up with so much nonsense.
And that nonsense, we talk about that, and you can look at the entire playlist. We have more than 250 videos on the playlist for the Airing of Grievances. The link is in the description box below. But the nonsense, it's never ending.
It's never ending,
right?
And it's only getting more ferocious.
Yeah. And that kind of reminds me that I'm thankful that here at Nylands we have a culture. We have a mentality. In fact, we even have a tagline. And that tagline is,
if it's not perfect,
it's not leaving.
That's it.
Right? And that sounds arrogant or lofty, but it's truly the air that we breathe. And we work every single day to make sure that the product, the delivery that we give to you, our guest, is perfect. Right?
For sure.
It kind of reminds me, I know that you take exceptional pride when somebody comes up to you and says, oh my gosh, it looks better than the day I bought it, right? Or I didn't even know that it could be this good. A repair could be this good.
Or I don't even recognize it's their car.
Yeah.
It's heartwarming, and it's also part of my why.
Well, and that's just it. We all have to have one of those.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And I'm grateful that we have the support and endorsement of Toyota and Lexus and Lucid,
Yep.
as certified or Lexus authorized here in this area. Man, people know that they can bring their vehicles to us, and it's not necessarily going to be done with shortcuts, right?
There's no shortcuts.
Yeah, and you don't even think about that until you start comparing one repair plan to another,
Yeah.
one shop to another. And again, we have a whole playlist of such comparisons.
Yep.
Yeah. Some other things that we're thankful for.
Just all the guests that really want their cars fixed properly.
Yeah.
Not everybody is like that. And, they'll just get bamboozled by the insurance company to get a half-repaired vehicle and call it good.
Mm-hmm.
The guests that we have here are just the most amazing people that care about them, and we care about them. And, sometimes you got to push back a little bit.
Yes.
And it's unfortunate, but in order to get what you deserve, it happens like that.
Yeah, it really does. And I'm grateful that here at Nylands we have the freedom to stand up to the insurer on behalf of the guest.
Yep.
Right?
We'll be your voice.
We advocate on your behalf always. And sometimes that takes on different appearances, but ultimately it is for you, your family, the safety thereof, and the safety of the people who are driving around you.
I'm also grateful for all the people that leave comments or actually reach out and talk to us and ask for help.
Yeah.
It's very, very rewarding to see that situation through to end and have somebody walk away taken care of.
Yes.
It's great to provide a resource for people.
It is, and the resource, again, looks different from person to person, case to case.
No doubt.
I remember the very first time I ever stepped foot in your shop. You took me on a tour, and you had me rub my hand across the baby's butt smooth sand job that you had done just prior to getting ready for a paint job. You took me into the paint booth and you waved your hand over the scale and just the air moving the scale changed the numbers. It's that sensitive and detailed.
And
right?
everything that we do is just that precise.
Yeah. Well, I can tell you now, 16, almost 17 years later, he's still doing it. He's still taking people on tours.
Anytime you want.
Just last week, we had somebody come over and they wanted to take a tour. And Rob stopped everything, said, "Come on, let's go."
Let's go.
And took him on a 15-minute walk of all the different stations and all the different things that you can see, all the attention to detail.
So along that lines, I'm also grateful for all the people that tune in that help my guests.
Yes.
There's many of you that are a resource for consumers, whether they're mine or, just we appreciate your help.
Yeah.
In getting people taken care of. And unfortunately, it's the way it is. You have to have layers these days of different people helping out to get the consumer back made whole again.
Yeah, absolutely.
It didn't used to be like that, but today it is.
Things have changed, right?
They have changed.
And not necessarily for the better, but we're still here banging the drum for the consumer and advocating on that. I love our culture here. We've already mentioned it a little bit. Not just the culture that goes out towards the guest that says if it's not perfect, it's not leaving, but the culture that happens and the camaraderie between the staff members that we have here, from the front office desk to the technicians in the background here, to the paint booth, to the detail bay. This is a family.
Yeah, and so are all the people that help maintain everything that's here.
Yeah.
I mean, our paint company and
yes,
everybody is supporting because they know how important the guest is to me, and
right.
Everybody from all walks of life.
Yeah.
come to help make sure that that happens.
Yeah, to be a vendor here, you either get it and are on board, or we will find another vendor.
We will find somebody that is.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
yeah. So, I just, happy Thanksgiving to everybody.
Yep.
We're grateful for you. We're grateful for this opportunity. And that's what I got.
That's a lot. That's a lot. Thanks so much for watching today. We are grateful for you. We're every day we're thankful for you, and every week we tell you that. But today, just take a moment to realize that there's a bigger picture around, not just us, but around you and we as family. Rob, happy Saturday to you.
Happy Saturday to you. Oh, and thank you for all the work that you put into this. I appreciate it very, very much.
We love doing this. It really is a labor of love. And so, on that note, we wish you a very happy week. We will see you again next week.
God bless.